Hello students, today we are going to discuss about an equation known as quadratic equation. Okay, first of all we define quadratic equation. After that we derive the formula known as x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where x is the roots. The value of x are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, let us start to discuss all about quadratic equation. Okay, students, are you ready? Okay, let us start. Here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There are three terms. First, second, third. The degree of this quadratic equation means the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable. Since the variable is x, in this equation, this is known as the quadratic equation in x. X means the variable of this quadratic equation. In this equation, the highest power of the variable x is 2. Highest power of the variable is 2. We can write it as ax square plus bx power 1 plus c into x power 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Here power of x is 2, power of x is 1, power of x is 0. Means in decreasing order by 1. Decreasing by 1. Okay, so the highest power of the variable is 2, known as the degree of this quadratic equation in x. Okay, degree is clear? Okay. So since the degree of this quadratic equation is 2, so this gives us 2 roots, or you can say 2 solutions, which are written as x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a are the 2 roots. Plus first is plus, second one is minus. Since, I am repeating, since the degree of this quadratic equation is 2, so this equation present 2 roots or 2 solutions. First one is x is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second one is x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? Okay, let us derive this formula. We have to derive this formula. Are you ready? Okay, let us start to find x. Okay, for that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, our quadratic equation in x. Okay, we have to make coefficient of x square 1. For this, take a as a common. Taking a as a common, we have x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. Clear? Remove a, means send a to the right side, means 0 upon a. 0 upon a becomes 0. We have x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0 upon a, which is 0. Clear? In this equation, the coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x is b by a, and constant term c is constant term. Correct? And c by a is a constant term. Clear? Now we have to find a third term. We have to find the third term. The formula for third term is equal to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x to the whole square. Third term, the formula for third term is 1 by 2 into coefficient of x to the whole square. Here, coefficient of x is b upon a. b upon a is the coefficient of x. So write down 1 by 2 coefficient of x is b upon a. b upon a to the whole square, and this is equal to b square upon 2 square 4a square. Clear? Getting? Okay. Now adding and subtracting third term. Where? Here in this equation we get x square plus b by ax plus c by a plus b square upon 4a square minus b square upon 4a square is equal to 0. Adding and subtracting our third term in equation. Correct? The next step is make a open bracket. Make a open or small bracket. Clear? This is our next step. Make a small bracket in which we have to fill two terms. Okay? So for first term we have to make two terms. For first term, take square root of x square. Square root of x square, which is x, to write x. And which sign? Sign is plus, write plus. Okay, sign, write sign. If plus is here, write plus. If negative is here, minus sign, write minus sign. Okay, and this one is first term. Second term is divide the coefficient of x by 2. Divide coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is b upon a. b upon a upon 2. This is equal to b upon 2a. Correct? Write b upon 2a. Okay? Square root of x square plus divide coefficient of x b upon a by 2, b upon 2a, give the square sign. Okay, now we have a plus b to the whole square. A plus b to the whole square, and we know that a plus b to the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means we know that here in this bracket there are three terms are included. Three terms are included. Which terms are included? We have to search. We have to find out which three terms are included from the above step, from the above. Okay, let us take a plus b to the whole square means a square. X square is present. B square upon 4a square. This term is present. Plus twice a into b. A means x, b means b upon 2a. 2 get cancelled. B upon a x. This term is present. Okay, correct. Then the remaining terms are c upon a minus b square upon 4a square is equal to 0. Get it? Clear, students? Okay. A plus b to the whole square, x square plus b square plus 2ab means b upon ax. Three terms are included here. There are five terms: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, in which three are here, and remaining two are x upon c upon a minus b square upon 4a square equal to 0. Okay. Now x plus b upon 2a to the whole square is equal to, this is negative, goes to right side, becomes positive, b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. C upon a is positive, goes to right hand side becomes negative. And since there are two fractions, we have to subtract them, but denominators are different. We have to subtract two fractions in which the denominator of first fraction is 4a square, but denominator of second fraction is a. For that we have to adjust, we have to equalize the denominator of these two fractions. For this, multiplying and dividing by 4a, such that we get 4a square. Okay, and next one is, this is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Correct? Now let us rough it. Okay, we get x plus b upon 2a to the whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Okay, take the square root. X plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Okay, this is equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 2a, why? Since square root of 4 is 2, square root of a square is a, and we know that square root of a upon b is written as square root of a upon square root of b. So square root of b square minus 4ac upon square root of 4a square is 2a. Correct? So x is equal to plus goes to right hand side becomes negative b upon 2a plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Since here there are two fractions, both have same denominator, 2a. So we can solve it as 2a minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. So this is our root, in which first is x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second one is x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So there are two roots of quadratic equation x square bx plus c. Okay students, any problem, please make a note, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, please write down.